In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of ClickUp versus Motion versus Jira versus Airtable, four powerful productivity and project management platforms, so you can understand how they differ, what makes them useful, and which one fits your needs best. ClickUp is a feature-rich, all-in-one workspace built to replace multiple tools at once. It combines tasks, docs, goals, time tracking, calendars, and automation in one place. Whether your team works in lists, boards, timelines, or calendars, ClickUp gives you many views and options to organize work. One of its biggest strengths is that it can handle both simple tasks and complex project workflows without jumping between apps. The ability to create task dependencies, custom fields, integrations, dashboards, and goals makes it great for teams that juggle multiple work types: design, development, content planning, client projects, and more. The trade-off is that ClickUp has a steeper learning curve compared with simpler tools. With so many features, users often spend time configuring views and settings before they find their ideal workflow. Motion takes a very different approach. Instead of just managing tasks, Motion focuses on smart scheduling and time optimization. It automatically assigns your tasks into your calendar, balancing deadlines, meetings, and available time, which can be extremely helpful if your biggest challenge is when will I actually do this, rather than just keeping a list. Motion works smartly in the background to prioritize your day, so you spend less time planning and more time doing. But because its strength is scheduling, it doesn't replace traditional project management features like advanced task dependencies, boards, or deep collaboration tools. If your workflow requires complex project views or team coordination, Motion may feel limited. Jira sits in a different niche altogether. It's built for software development and agile teams and excels at handling complex tech workflows. With issue tracking, sprint planning, backlogs, user stories, boards, and custom workflows, Jira gives development teams control over their entire software cycle. If you're managing bugs, releases, features, and tasks across multiple sprints, Jira gives you tools to plan, track, and report with precision. For non-technical or small teams, however, Jira's interface and terminology can feel heavy and overwhelming, and it may be more than you really need for standard project planning. Airtable is a spreadsheet meets database tool that lets you organize structured information with ease. Unlike a plain spreadsheet, Airtable supports linked records, attachments, custom views, grid, Kanban, calendar, gallery, and filtering options that make data clear and powerful. It's excellent for content calendars, inventories, CRM lists, product catalogs, hiring pipelines, and anything where relationships between records matter. Airtable is less focused on detailed task dependencies or sprint planning, but if your work involves data, lists, and records that need structure, Airtable feels intuitive. Its database nature gives you more flexibility than a simple task list, but it doesn't offer a full suite of project controls like ClickUp or Jira. When comparing these tools, it really comes down to what problem you need to solve. ClickUp is strong if you want a full, feature-packed workspace that covers tasks, docs, goals, and more. Motion is ideal if your biggest bottleneck is scheduling and actually finding time to do work. Jira is built for technical teams that need deep tracking, agile workflows, and issue management. Airtable shines when your work relies on structured data, linked tables, and organizing information in multiple views. Each of these platforms has a different sweet spot, and the best choice depends on the nature of your projects, team size, and how much structure or automation you need in your workflow. Let me know in the comments if you've tried ClickUp, Motion, Jira, or Airtable, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.